Philip here, and welcome to our guide on locking your THX tokens. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. What is THX? Let's dive into what THX is all about. It's a staked and locked version of THX tokens, which serve as the governance tokens and earn protocol fees. Basically, you're locking your tokens, gives you a say in the project and lets you earn rewards. When you lock your tokens, you can propose and vote on decisions. You can also earn various fees. Plus, as a THX member, you'll have access to exclusive quests and features, such as discounted tickets for the bi-weekly lottery. How to stake and lock. So, how do you start earning and voting? Let me be your guide. Follow these steps to stake and lock your THX tokens. Step 1. Visit the Locking and Membership app at app.thanks.network and sign into your wallet. After you've signed in, approve the THX and or USDC transfers message and then add liquidity into the balance of liquidity. You can add a combination of USDC or THX. Step 2. Approve the transfer of liquidity and stake the liquidity into the balancer gauge to receive USDC THX gauge tokens. Step 3. Go to the Memberships tab and select the amount of tokens you want to lock and approve the transfer of staked liquidity and select the lock date. It can be up to 12 weeks. Then, stake your locked liquidity in THX. Congratulations! You've successfully staked and locked your THX tokens. You're now a key part of the network, actively shaping its future and earning rewards and exclusive benefits as you go. For more information on locking, or if you need some help, you can join our Discord or visit the link.